In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently parse any document using n8n, a powerful workflow automation tool. Whether you're dealing with PDFs, images, or any other document types, this approach will help you extract the specific information you need seamlessly. So let's dive right in and explore the process step by step. First, we start by focusing on document ingestion. It's important to get the document into your workflow with the right trigger. You have a few options here. If you're receiving documents via a web form or from another application, a webhook can be a great choice. You might also consider setting up a manual trigger for testing purposes or for processing documents manually. Alternatively, if you have new documents regularly appearing in a specific folder, use the File System Watch feature to monitor and trigger your workflow when a new file arrives. Next, let's talk about document preparation, a critical step if your document is not in a straightforward text format. If it's a PDF, you'll need to extract its content as plain text first. This can be achieved using nodes like extract from PDF or PDF vector from the n8n community. For documents that are images, perhaps from scans, an OCR service is what you'll need. This might involve tools like nanonets or custom integrations with an OCR API to convert the images to text, making the content ready for further processing. Now we move on to the heart of the operation, information extraction. This is where we tap into the power of AI. Integrate an AI model such as Google Gemini, OpenAI's GPT, or Claude by using the AI agent node or an HTTP request node to connect with their APIs. An essential part of this is crafting an effective prompt. Make sure your prompt clearly defines the information you want from the document's text. Specific fields and their expected formats should be detailed to ensure accuracy. If your use case requires the extracted data in a structured format, consider using the Structured Output Parser node. It allows you to define a schema, ensuring the output complies with your requirements. Once you've extracted the information, you may need to process and store it. This step involves data transformation where you'll use function or code nodes to clean, format, or otherwise transform the data to suit your needs. From there, it's time to send the processed data where it needs to go. Whether it's to Google Sheets via the Google Sheets node, a database using nodes like PostgreSQL or MySQL, or integrating it with a CRM system, choose the destination that fits your workflow goals. Let's wrap this up with an example of how powerful this automation can be. Imagine using a webhook trigger to receive a PDF file, then applying the PDF vector community node to extract the text. Following this, an AI agent such as Google Gemini strategically takes this text with a tailored prompt to pull out specific fields, say an invoice number, date, and total. Finally, this processed data flows neatly into a Google Sheet, where it's logged in a new row ready for you to access. And there you have it, a streamlined and intelligent process to parse documents using n8n, ensuring you stay organized and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.